today. Just want to make a quick video. Say thank you to all of you for watching my videos. My channel just got a 1 million views the last couple of days, so I'm excited. You know, it's kind of hard to get that many views with my video, but anyway, thank you for watching them. Uh, Without your watching, I couldn't, my channel couldn't make that many views. Anyway, what I'm going to celebrate my 1 million views. I don't have any much stuff, but I have one thing I want to give away to all you, to one of you, not all of you. But I have only one, so I have to figure out how I give away to all of you, to you, the lucky one. If you know how to do it and have the item I want to give away, that is an electric skillet. That's the one I used a couple of months ago when I'm making the pancake. Not the, yeah, you can call me pancake. The copper shape skillet. That's just a small, but it's not bad. I bought the 3 of them, so I give away one. Let me show you the box. The box. This is one of the box I opened. The one I used to. I already use this, but I give away the one is still in the box. It's still is brand new. I'm still figuring how to do it. So once again, if you know how the comment section, thank you very much for everything from watching my video and suggest me to get a better video or anything. Bye. Thank you. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. See you next video.